Welcome back to another video. Today we have M18 fuel driven to perform. This is a 7¼ rear handle circular saw. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform by subscribing and like. So help out the channel by doing so. Guys, this was a killer deal. We ended up getting this for around $130. One in a lifetime pricing. Deals like this pop up, you guys would get that deal. I post immediately something like this pops up, so make sure you guys stay subscribed. Generates up to 15 amp corded power, faster than corded, up to 570 cuts per charge. We got 7¼ rear handle circular saw, 2830-20, fits all M18 batteries. There's tool only, battery and charger not included. Certifications: 7¼ does blade size, 184 millimeters, 7¼ it says arbor size. Diamond, you got no load RPM 5,800, and then you got capacity, maximum bevel capacity 53. I don't know, have no idea what it says here. Alright, we got bevel, maximum bevel capacity 53 degrees. We got cut depth 90 degrees, 2.5, 45 degrees, 1 7/8. We got length and weight. So we got 18.9 inches and we got 10 pounds. So we got Redlink Plus, intelligent, got 5-year warranty, 1 power state brushless motor. Here we got some sort of vacuum adapter, and this goes in the tool, this part. So some instructions there. We got a poster, and we got another poster there. Then we have a blade. It says for framing wood blade, 7¼ 24 tooth. We do have a diamond in the middle, so if you guys buy this saw, make sure you guys get the ones that you can take out with the diamond. Anti-friction. It says laser cut technology. It says warm drive. So this is especially for warm drive saws. It says 7¼ 24 tooth framing wood blade. Part number there. So we got 48 41 07 23. Metal. Everything's metal on the saw. Metal. This is the guard. Very nice guard. We got plastic. Everything else is metal. Really high quality. Got M18 Milwaukee fuel. All right, on the back we got a nice handle here. So instead of pushing it that way, you have to push it down and then press it. All right, on the bottom we got a tool. So this is a tool to change the blade. We got a battery compartment here. This is a huge battery compartment. All right, let's get a 6. So we have a 6 amp hour battery. It's a 8 amp hour battery. You got some room there. If you guys could see it, but you guys do have some room. And then let's try a 12 amp hour battery. Fills all the way to the end. You guys do see, but there's still enough gap there so you guys could slide it in and out. But yeah, you guys are able to fit a 12 amp hour battery in there. All right, so on this side we got a rafter hook. Got a really nice high quality rafter hook. It does have some stops here. Put that back. It says fuel brushless there. 2830-20. We got 5,800 RPM per minute. I got a serial number there. We got 7¼ rear handle circular saw. Professionally made in China by Milwaukee tool. All right, on the front we just got some warning signs there. Nothing else on the bottom. So on this side you got a really nice angle or degree level there, and same thing here. You got a nice metal. So this is all metal. Really like the quality on these. And then this is the handle here. And then we got a brake button here, so when you guys are changing the blade, you guys could use the brake button there. We do have a rubber stop there. I don't know if you guys could see that, but yeah, that's a nice rubber stop there. Let's see if we can get this off. But it says there's a little arrow right there. It says off this way. So take that off. We'll take this piece off. Oh, these are 2 different pieces. And then you have to line up the arrows with this. This goes this way. So obviously on Milwaukee you put the letters on here. Depending on your blade, you do have to look at the arrows here, depending on your brand. Line it up with the diamond, and then put this right there. Make sure it latches in, and then you have to screw this on. Remember guys, it's backwards and it tells you on the screw. And go ahead and use this hand here so we can press the lock with this and hold the guard. All right, so it's nice and tight, nice and snug. Then you guys could release that now. And thus you can take this off and put this one in there. And go ahead and put the tool back. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put the 8 in there. All right, so we got a really nice light. The battery is in there. You don't want to touch or get your hand near the blade. All right, so you do have a light right there, just beside the blade. I'm gonna go ahead and grab it from here. Seems like it does have a brake. As soon as you release the trigger, takes a few seconds, but it takes like maybe half a second or a second to. This is the other one. This is for the depth. So in case you want to put it, deeper, put this lever this way, and then you can stand it up if that's what you want to do. But yeah, it's actually really nice saw. This is one of the better ones out there. That's how you tighten it, and then that's how you release it. So you can get yourself an angle on this, so you guys do see like so. And then once you put it where you desire, you can lock it back up. Pretty simple. We're gonna go ahead and cut this scrap piece of wood. Make sure there's not anything on the other side, any nails. All right, if you guys look at here, we were almost able to cut about there. About 2.5. All right, so we're gonna turn this over and cut it on the other side. So there we go. As you guys do see, all the dust came out from the port there, the dust port. Guys, I really like this saw. It is kind of heavy, but then again, most of the time you're gonna be using it like cutting downwards like so. Really nice piece of equipment. Definitely recommend it for the pro. You guys know Milwaukee's quality. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make virtual review videos. That's the way YouTubers will platform by subscribes and likes. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.